every single time.
racist.
Racist mirror.
Is that, by the way, actually on that point specifically, because you're dealing with that sort of thing, right?
Yeah.
Like, is that difficult to actually implement? Like, do you see why they've had those problems?
Because I know medically there has been an issue historically where a lot of the examples of skin conditions are on white skin.
The data that they trained basically wasn't enough.
I think that's
Possibly,
the
I know
only
it's always been a
that's the
historical
only
issue.
like logical explanation for like why someone might be like, oh, it doesn't work on my skin tone.
Mm-hmm.
The other explanation could be like a user issue. For example, if their lighting is just wrong, right?
Yeah.
Like if they're not in like a well-lit area, it might give them wrong results, which, you know, that's not something we can control. Like we can add in
Like
LED lights to the mirror itself, but we can't control like the actual room. You know, there's stuff
You can add prompts for the user as well to make sure you're in a well-lit environment, for example, and things like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what were the other issues that kind of went wrong with that one, do you think?
So yeah, there was that. What else was there? There was a few knickknacks that people were saying like, oh, because it kind of comes off as a tablet, and it was like
I see.
it's not something that is
like a full length kind of mirror.
Yeah, like a full length kind of mirror. Yeah. So there was a few like caveats around it. So we're like, oh, okay, I'm seeing where these guys went wrong. Now we can try and figure out how we can improve on that. Essentially, yeah, I think we are a little bit more focused on just developing more on the code side of things.